For each of the pop rivets, carefully lift the top portion of the rivet first with your removal tool, then slide underneath and raise the entire rivet out. Grip the air intake and sharply lift it up to release the catches and remove it to clear for the cowling to be removed easily. The cowl panel can now easily be lifted and removed out of the way. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts that secure the grille to the front of the vehicle. To remove the grille, simply grab it on the edges and pry it straight forward towards you. The clips will release. Go slowly, take your time. Using a 1/4-inch drill, drill out each of the plastic welds. Drill until you feel it release. Go slowly so you don't drill all the way through the letters. After you've drilled through, you might find that some of the plastic remains on the top surface. Using a sharp knife, pull those bits off, and that will make it easier for the plastic letters to release from the other side. For each letter, pass the pigtail through the opening and align the notches on the back of the letter with the openings in the grill face. Flip the grill over and use these supplied screws to secure the letter. After all the letters are installed and secured, stretch out your wiring harness. Ensure that the connector that will go to the control piece is headed off toward the driver's side end of your grill, and begin connecting each of your plugs into the corresponding letters. With all the loose harness secured and taped with clips to the grill, it's ready to secure the grill back to the vehicle. Even if you ran a test at the start, now is a good time to attach your controller to your wiring harness and run a test to make sure that everything's still working by attaching your 2 leads to your battery connector, positive and negative. After reattaching the grill and testing your wiring connections and that your lights work, don't forget to resecure the grill with the 4 10mm bolts you originally removed. And after that is completed, reattach the cover and all of the slip clips that secured the cover in place. Then proceed to wiring and securing the controller and your add-a-fuse accessory fuse socket connection.